What's up, Geeks 4x4? Today we've got the Wagoneer in the shop. If you saw my story on the Instagram the other day, you saw that this thing, it was running decent. I was able to move it around, and then all of a sudden does not want to start. So I've ordered a new carburetor. I got a bunch of vacuum line stuff, and I'm going to start with the carb. So I'm going to be pulling the original carb out of here and putting in a new, it's a 2100 Motorcraft, I believe is what it is. And yeah, so that's what I'm working on today. Well, you can see the shiny part in there. I've got it in. I've got to figure out what the top vent is. I'll show you guys in just a second. I was going to see if it wouldn't run with a new carburetor. So pop the garage door open and give it a little try. Like it might not be quite drawing fuel yet. Let's see if I can't dump a little fuel down in there. Can't get it to fire, get any fuel to it. Almost got it running there. And that is how it's been acting today. I don't know if, probably need to drop the tank at this point and look in there. So, might be next. We'll see how we get to here. Well, yeah, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but just popped the fuel line off and I'm getting no fuel. So time to go back underneath it and figure out what's going on fuel wise. Alright, so unfortunately I'm not getting any fuel up here. I'm going to end up dropping the gas tank. I put a little bit of fuel in it. I could be empty, but I really probably need to drop the gas tank anyway. It's been sitting for 20 years, so I need to just probably look in there and make sure everything is okay. So I'm working on dropping the gas tank now. Probably not going to film it. It's going to be a pain in the butt, but I'm going to jack the back up, put it on jack stands because it's low to the ground with stock suspension. So be able to get underneath it then and get some, at least look in the gas tank and figure out if it's okay. If it's okay, then I'll just go get more gas. If it's not okay, then I know and I can order a new pickup and stuff like that. So pulling the gas tank. Well, I spent all day fighting the new carb and everything. Only to find out it was out of fuel. That's awesome. Did not end up dropping the tank. I got the tank halfway out and I could move it around and I didn't hear any fuel in it. And I go, you know what? I just need to go get fuel. So I'm going to pull it out and adjust the air fuel mixtures and see if I can get the idle down a little bit. But it seems to run. Well, again, me being too brash. 10mm bolt to adjust the idle. Came right down. No issues. Walking outside, I got the carburetor and vacuum system redone a little bit in the Wagoneer, and I just was going to show you guys cold start. Now, I haven't started in a couple days, and it's 28 degrees cold today. I did do a cold start on it a couple days ago. Wasn't as cold. But let's see if it will start. I just pumped the gas 5 times and it fired last time. So let's see if it'll do that again for the camera. We'll take it inside. Alrighty. It's running. 8 pumps of the gas pedal and fired up. Takes it, obviously, a little while to get warmed up. What do you guys think of that oil pressure on the YouTubes? Brought it up just a little bit because it was wanting to die there. And now it's running. So now that's at idle. Oil pressure is above 60 psi. It seems really high. Let me know what you think of that and what I should check. Definitely can look at the pressure. It has smoke coming out of the exhaust and blow by out of the oil cap. So, and it's got this tick that I'm going to put on the video here that I'm not quite sure about. It really is really quiet right now, but it'll get louder and quieter. Exhaust actually looks okay right now. You guys can see that in the camera. Seems like it's showing it. But you give it a little bit of RPMs and it puts out some nice blue smoke. That kind of knocking noise. What do you think of that? That noise goes through cycles where it's really loud and times when it's really quiet. So I don't really know what I should be looking for on it. It almost seems like a lifter, like a rod or something. I had a buddy say a bent rod. I don't know. Wagoneer guys, 360 AMC guys, let me know. Let's go for a little drive. See if the camera will fit on the dash. It will. I don't know if you can hear that noise in the engine, kind of a clattering. Too far back in here, getting you guys overexposed. Set it up on the dash again. There's my oil pressure. Back down at idle again. Seems too high to me. I don't. Got a little bit of. Filled it up just a little bit too much when I changed the oil. It's probably got half a quart too much. It leaks so bad though that I'm not going to pull it out because it'll leak it out. So now that I'm trying to drive it around a little bit more, it's leaking really bad when it's warm. But pull over here and let you guys hear that tick from the outside again now that it's got a little bit of warmth in it. Here's that noise on the outside when it's got a little bit of warmth. It wasn't quite enough warmth. Now it has some warmth. You can actually go when you hit the gas pedal. Beautiful day today. It is cold though. It's like 28 degrees. At least it's sunny. Take sunny. What you hear rattling is the sunroof cover. Actually, it's got some rattle to it. Still got some dialing into the carb to do. It's still hopping and skipping a little bit. Might also have something to do with how cold it is. Not really sure. Seems to run pretty good. It did do that hopping and skipping the other day, but it's coming together. Gotta figure out what that noise is. Whatever you guys think that noise is, just comment down below. Be interested to hear what you think I should check on. I did get my stethoscope out and I can hear it in the driver's side bank. Can't really hear it in the passenger side bank. So to me, something to do with rods or lifters more than, I don't know if it could be crank bearing or something like that, but I'm hoping it's not something like that. I'm hoping it's something on the top end that I can play with and get fixed up. So anyway, shoot me what you think that is in the comments down below. Well, that is going to be a wrap for the Wagoneer video for this week. We're still tinkering on the Wagoneer. We have got to get it to where we can drive it around a little bit better. I want to be able to take it to some shops and figure out what all the seals are that are bad. The thing leaks crazy. So I'm thinking it needs like front main seal, rear main seal, oil gasket, oil pan gasket. I actually already bought the valve cover gaskets. Figured that's something I can do myself. A lot of the stuff underneath I just don't have exactly what I want to do, and nor do I need to get my garage floor that dirty. So I'm just glad to have it running finally. That did take care of the stalling out problem. Needed more fuel, and so new carburetor, more fuel in the tank, and it's really happy. Also fixed the vacuum so that it actually advances at the right time, and so it's just starting to run a little bit better. If I can figure out that noise, if somebody can comment down below and give me a good direction, I'll be forever grateful. Hopefully that noise doesn't mean that I should be pulling the motor. I don't know if I'm going to have to pull the motor, or if those guys are going to have to pull the motor to do some of the seals anyway. I'm not really sure. But hopefully something simple that can figure out, or it's just an oiling thing from sitting for so long. We're going to still working on that. But thank you for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and don't forget, there's always merch. Links down below to cool merch, Geeks 4x4. Have a great day. We will see you next time.